Hey everyone, welcome back to Eat Better Health. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 of the best essential oils to help you shed those extra pounds and boost your metabolism naturally. These oils are not only effective, but also smell amazing. And don't worry, I'll include tips for safe use and links in the description to trusted products and guides so you can get started confidently. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why essential oils can actually help with weight loss. Now, essential oils are natural plant extracts that can improve digestion, curb cravings, boost energy, and even speed up your metabolism. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, they're a great tool to support your weight loss journey. First up, we have Grapefruit Essential Oil. This is one of the most popular oils for weight loss because it's known to reduce cravings and help break down fat. Grapefruit oil contains a compound called limonene, which helps support your metabolism and reduce water retention. You can add a couple of drops to a diffuser for aromatherapy, or mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it onto your stomach to stimulate fat burning. Remember, don't apply essential oils directly to your skin without diluting. Next on the list is Cinnamon Essential Oil. Cinnamon is fantastic for balancing blood sugar levels, which can help reduce sugar cravings and keep you from snacking on those sugary treats. Plus, it's great for improving circulation and boosting metabolism. You can add a drop of cinnamon oil to warm water or tea for a soothing drink that supports your metabolism. But be careful, cinnamon oil is very potent, so always use it sparingly and consult safe usage guidelines first. Number 3 is Ginger Essential Oil. Ginger is a powerhouse for weight loss because it improves digestion, reduces bloating, and speeds up your metabolism. It's also known for its thermogenic effect, meaning it helps you burn more calories by increasing your body temperature slightly. You can inhale ginger oil by diffusing it or add a drop to a carrier oil and rub it on your abdomen. You can even add a single drop to tea for a digestive boost. Just make sure the oil is food grade. Coming in at number 4 is Lemon Essential Oil. It's refreshing, uplifting, and excellent for detoxing the body. Lemon oil supports liver health, which is crucial for weight loss, and it helps your body break down fats more efficiently. Add 1 to 2 drops of food-grade lemon oil to a glass of warm water in the morning for a refreshing detox drink. This helps flush toxins and jumpstart your metabolism for the day. And finally, we have Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint is known to reduce appetite and give you a natural energy boost, which is perfect for staying active throughout the day. Plus, the fresh, cool scent can curb cravings and keep you focused. You can diffuse peppermint oil in your workspace or inhale it before meals to help you feel full faster. It's also great to massage on sore muscles after a workout for recovery. Now that we've covered the top 5 essential oils, let's talk about safety. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so always follow these tips. Always dilute oils with a carrier oil before applying to skin. If ingesting, ensure oils are food grade and consult product guidelines. Keep oils away from children and pets. Perform a patch test before topical use to avoid irritation. To make it easy for you, I've linked high-quality essential oils and detailed safety guides in the description below. Make sure to check them out so you can use these oils safely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future health tips. Let me know in the comments which essential oil you're most excited to try, or share your own favorite ways to use essential oils for weight loss. Thanks so much for watching, stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next video.